Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. You are going to love the 2019 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.